Hey guys, what's up? fvnz here. I'm back with another video, and today we're gonna learn how to do mirror effect in Premiere Pro. So first what we're gonna do is add two clips which will be different. Like you have to act like two different videos. The one where you're staying stationary, and in the mirror where you'll be like doing other stuff, like acting totally different. So let's export both the images. I've exported the first one and here's the second one too. So now what we're gonna do is we'll be merging both of them in layers one above the other. Let me check if like I need to see from where do I need to start adding it, and I like merging it together. So let's set it here. I'll maybe set it like a bit ahead, I guess. Uh, then what we need to do is really important, which is called garbage mid effect. You need to add that on the upper layer, like the layer which you're gonna like take a part of it and edit. So it will like we can cut the part of a clip and still have the existing image in the video below. So let's set that thing in fast forward as I did it. You need to set it carefully. I just did it quickly because, as you know, I made a promise that I'll be doing daily upload, and it's almost like it's only a few minutes left before I lose my promise on its very first day. So I just made a rough video. I guess you'll have enough time to make a better one. Well, after that, what you need to do is try to make it like look totally into each other, and for that you need to cut like and some early parts and set the opacity from 0 to 100 so it looks like it formed something. That's it. That's the whole video right there, completed fully. Yeah, I know I'm a bad actor. So that's pretty much it. Watching now, I'll cut like a remaining few parts of the clip and finally let it do. Let's delete it first and then we'll export the video. That's the job pretty much done, I guess. Yeah, that's my brother in the background. I didn't know he came back there. Let's set it to h.264 and name the video, and yeah, pretty much export it. So yeah, my system is not so good, so it takes a while to export this, even the small size of videos. Once it is completed, yeah, I know it takes a bit time. So yeah, that's it. I'll show you the clip and then we'll end the video right there. So goodbye.